Let's do front brakes on this 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Let's start by removing the brake rotor returning screw. It is in 5mm Allen screw. You can use regular tool to do this. You don't need the electric ratchet. So let's remove our brake caliper bolt. It is a 14mm. We're gonna use a screwdriver to pry it off. Now let's start by compressing the caliper here using this tool. I'll have it in the comment section below. And let's remove those old hardware. Make sure you save them because sometimes it doesn't come with the new kit. You might have to reuse them. Same for those hardware on top of the brake pads. Let's check our slider pin. Those ones were frozen. We're gonna have to clean and re-grease them. We're gonna use a e-torque socket. It is a E20. We'll post the link in the comment section for this too. You can use a regular 1/2" ratchet to take it off. You do not need an air tool. Now let's take our brake rotor off, hit it with a hammer, and clean our hub using a wire brush like this. Much better. We're gonna use a screwdriver like this to remove the old brake hardware. We're going to replace those because my kit did come with them. And we're going to clean our brake hardware, our brake caliper bracket. There it is. Looks so much better. Pay attention to the orientation of those clips. They go in a certain way. Pay attention to the orientation on this. Take a picture of it, screenshot it. You're on camera anyway, so. Pay close attention to them. Now let's put our new rotor in. Make sure you clean the rust protection off with soap and water or brake cleaner. Now let's re-grease our caliper slider pin. Our grease stop. There it is. Now let's install our caliper bracket. We're gonna install those clips on the brake pads. We pay attention to the orientation of them too. There. Let's grease our brake pads. Pay close attention how I insert the brake pad to the caliper bracket. It can be a little bit challenging. You might need 2 hands for that. Just like that. We do the same thing in the wheel too. The wheel brake pad. Now we're going to install our anti-drag clip. It can be a bit challenging. You're gonna put them on and hold the brake pad in place at the same time, or you can put the caliper bolt on top and put pressure on the pads while you're putting those spring in. I couldn't really show that part, but you get the idea. I used to hold it in place and put those anti-drag clip in, or have the caliper put pressure on them so you can get it done, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.